we will talk about data breach. A data breach refers to a security breach wherein unauthorized people or hackers access confidential or sensitive information without permission. Hackers get into the system, they take complete control of devices, computer network, and further they take complete charge of data and expose this data. Where do they expose this data? Hackers do expose this data on underground websites which are working on dark web. And this data can include the personal details like name, addresses, phone numbers. It may have financial data also like banking details, account number, credit card numbers, debit card numbers, or your Aadhaar card, your what do you say, pen card. And if people are living in out of India, then they do have social security numbers. So these kind of things can be a part of data. These security breaches take place through multiple techniques such as hacking, malware attacks, insider threats, meaning there may be some gruntled employee and who wants to take revenge from his or her boss. So they may do some illegal activity just to take revenge. It may happen via social engineering techniques, or there are other forms of unauthorized data access or data theft. Recent example of data breaches of ChatGPT that took place in March 2023 only. On March 20th, ChatGPT announced that it suffered its first major personal data breach. And another breach which happened in 2023 only, it was with AT&T. AT&T is an American multinational telecommunications company and it is based in United States. In March 2023, the company disclosed that it suffered a data breach. Over 9 million of their clients were informed that their data, including their first names, wireless account numbers, email addresses, wireless contact numbers, had been compromised due to an attack on a third-party vendor. So this attack was not directly on AT&T, but it came through third-party vendor. Maybe company was using some hardware or device or software from this third party, and hackers exploited the vulnerability which existed in this. So, and company further said that sensitive or financial information was not exposed. So this is how data breaches do happen, and they are a very serious threat because it's not only about the your phone numbers or email IDs or first name, last name, etc. It may have your confidential information. If it is about, if suppose a attack happens on hospital, then it is an attack on hospital data, and hospital data may have some confidential information about its patient, which patients and hospital both will not like to go in public. Sometimes these kind of attack or security breaches do happen on any country's uh, critical infrastructure. So your entire operations will affect if such thing happen. So this is about the data breach with the real examples.